Hello friends, welcome back to my channel IT Parivar. So guys, in this video, today we will learn if you have a multiple machines and in all those machines in a local administrator group, if domain users or local users added, and if you want to remove using group policy, how you can remove that. Okay, so let me show you first here. On this machine, you can see few users are added in the local administrator group. Okay, so in same way, if you have multiple machines or if you are working in any organization and if you want to remove those users from all the client machines or from all the servers, computers using group policy, I will show you how you can do that. Okay, I'll show you step by step. Okay, so let me start. Let me go to my domain controller. So this is my domain controller, and I will create a group policy to remove the users from the local administrator group. Okay, just one thing before going ahead, I want to request you, if you are a new user for my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that whenever I will upload the new videos, you will get the notification. So let me open here group policy management. Okay, and this is the my domain name, itparivar.lan, and let me show you one thing. This machine, my local machine is in same domain. You can see here itparivar.lan, abc.itparivar.lan. abc is this computer name and the domain name is itparivar.lan. okay, so this is fully qualified domain name. Let me close this and let me go to the my domain controller. Okay, I have few group policies here. I have opened group policy management. So if you want, you can modify any existing group policy to remove users from the local administrator group, or you can create new group policy. Okay, so you need to let me show you again. You need to expand, go to a group policy object, right click and click to new. Okay, here you need to mention name like GPO to remove users from local administrators group. Okay, let me say okay, and let me right click here, edit. So here what you need to do, this is computer based and user based, both policy. Okay, why I'm saying user based and computer based, because the option which I am going to enable that will be available in both configuration, user configuration and computer configuration. This one, right, local user and groups. So I'm going with the computer configuration. So let's expand these preferences, then expand control panel setting and local user and groups. So right click on this, click to new, and then click to local group. Okay, you need to mention here group name. So if you are going to remove users from administrators group, you need to enter here the group name administrators. If you have any other administrator group, okay, you can mention that. Sometimes in any organization, I mean, few organization administrator groups renamed, or any other groups created where domain users or local users are added, so you can mention as per your requirement here. So I'm going to mention here administrators because I am going to remove users from the administrator groups, okay, which I have on my client machine. Okay, so just mention here the group name and then click to here add. Okay, what you need to do is, here you can see add this group, are remove from this group. Okay, so you need to select remove from this group option. Then you need to mention here the username. Okay, let me go to the client machine. Okay, and double click on this. Here you can see there are two domain users, SKY IT Parivar /SKY and IT Parivar /test. Means SKY and test users are added from the domain side. Okay, I mean domain users are added here. So I'm going to remove this user, test user. Okay, so let me go to the domain controller, and here you can enter test username, or you can do one thing, you can just click here on three dotted points. Okay, enter here username test. Okay, in same way you need to enter your username to which you want to remove. Okay, click to check names. Okay, here you can see the username, select test. Okay, okay, and make sure remove from this group is selected, and then say okay. In same way, if you have any other user also to which you want to remove, you can click to add and select remove from this group. Click here and like I have one more user, SKY, check names. Okay, okay, so in same way you can add multiple users to remove or add. Okay, so here we are going to remove, so we'll select remove and then apply. Okay, let me close this. Now group policy is ready. Just we need to link this group policy. So if you want to apply this group policy for any specific team like IT team, HR team, okay, you can link to the respective OU, or if you want to apply this group policy, or if you want to push this group policy for all your domain users or your domain computers, you can directly link to the root label. Okay, by just right click to your domain name and click to link an existing GPU and then select the GPU. Okay, I'm not going to apply this on the root label. I have a one OU IT team computers. Okay, and let me show you one thing. Let me open here Active Directory users and computer. Okay, you can see I have OU IT team computer, so where this ABC computer is lying. Okay, so ABC computer is in IT team computer, so and this computer is also in this computer name is ABC. Okay, so we are going to apply that group policy to this computer. So what we'll do, we'll apply that or link that group policy to this IT team computer. So link and just right click and click to link an existing GPU. Okay, select that GPU name, GPU to remove users from local administrator group. Okay, and you can see it's linked successfully. Okay, now just close and go to CMD, run here GPU update space / force. It will take some time. You can see updating policy. Computer policy update has completed successfully. User policy has completed successfully. Now let's go to the client machine. Okay, so if you want to just for the testing purpose, I'm going to run here GPU update force. Otherwise, if you will just wait for 10 to 15 minutes, the group policy will be automatically refreshed or get implemented on your client machine or servers, and then the users will be get removed from the local administrators. But I have to show you here, so I'm going to run GPU update force so that group policy will be get implemented and the users will be get removed from the local administrator group, so that I can show you. Okay, so here you can see computer policy update has completed successfully. User policy update has completed successfully. Okay, here it is showing just because of this window was already open. So let me close and just refresh this. Sorry, let me go to administrator groups again, double click, and you can see those two users which was added here, SKY and test, those users has been removed successfully. So in this way you can remove the domain users or local users from the local administrator groups using group policy from multiple computers. Okay, so guys, I hope this video will be helpful for you. So again, I will request you to please like, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe IT Parivar. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.